Hi guys, as you know, I'm currently renovating my closet and um as you know, I am a very visual person. So, I have to see my stuff in order to be inspired for my looks. This box, this heavy storage box contains only my necklaces and pearls. Obviously, I have real stuff, I have costume jewelry in here. They're all just in this big heavy box. Like this, I have other boxes of bracelets, earrings, rings, bands, you name it, I got it. But as you know, I don't have the time to lurk around this box and kinda find the stuff I need, as I am super busy and I can't waste time. So I'm gonna show you in today's Fashion Friday how to organize inexpensively. Currently I am awaiting some very cute elaborate jewelry boxes, but they've been delayed a bit, so I can't stay waiting. So I'm trying to find an alternative until they arrive. So I'm gonna show you in part 2 of this video how to basically store my necklaces and costume jewelry in a much organized way. So stay tuned. So guys, look at this. I got this container. It's a sturdy plastic container. It's, as you can see, it's very dense here. It's very large in width, so I can store as much necklaces, as many necklaces possible. I love this sound. I love. Yes. I'm addicted to plastic containers at the moment. So until obviously my jewelry cases arrive, I'm going to organize my jewelry, gold, silver, costume jewelry, obviously not my pearls because those are very delicate, and I'm going to organize them in this plastic container that you can get from any hardware store, and you'll see the end result very soon. And voila guys, look at this storage box, well organized. I have my golds here and I have my silvers here. I think you noticed something different. I have new nails, yes. I managed to go and do my nails. Thank you, Graziella Meruzzi, for always giving me the most amazing set of nails. So this way I can actually see my jewelry since I'm always on the rush. It's much more neater. Alright, now obviously I am awaiting my fabulous jewelry boxes that are coming from abroad, but until they arrive I will make use of this plastic container. It's very big and very heavy, but I truly love it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's Fashion Friday video. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe and like all my social media platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, and I wish you all a fabulous weekend. Bye guys.